In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer and an invoice in your business management system. This process is essential for efficiently handling customer data and billing without a hitch, and today we'll walk through each step to make it simple and straightforward. We'll begin by focusing on creating a new customer. First, you'll want to navigate over to your business section and find the tab labeled Customer. Once you're there, look for the option to create a new customer and give it a click. This will bring up a form where you'll enter all the necessary details about your new customer. Now, take a moment to carefully fill in all essential information. This could include their name, contact information, and any other specifics that your system requires. Once you've double-checked that all the information is accurate, go ahead and hit Save. This will ensure that your customer's information is properly stored in your database, allowing you to easily access it in the future and keep all your records organized. Moving on, the next step is to create an invoice. To do this, you'll remain in the business section under Customer, and this time select New Invoice. It's time to choose the customer associated with this invoice. This should be one of the customers you've previously entered into your system. Once you've selected the right customer, you'll then need to enter the invoice details. Here, each field is crucial for maintaining transparency and organization in your billing process. Start by assigning an invoice ID. This unique identifier will help you track this specific document among possibly many others. Next, input the date, noting the exact day the invoice is being generated or the service was provided, which is vital for both your records and the customers. Further, move on to the billing items section. This is where you detail exactly what goods or services were provided. Here, be meticulous. Use clear descriptions, designate them under the correct accounting categories, and accurately input the amounts for each item. Once you've got everything filled out, review it for accuracy. Ensure the details reflect exactly what you intend to bill. If it all looks good, proceed to finalize the process. All you need to do now is click OK. This will save your invoice, making it official and ready for distribution to your customer. And that's it. Following these simple steps enables you to effectively manage customer information and streamline your billing practices within your business management system. Make sure to review each detail for utmost accuracy to avoid any potential errors down the line. With this process, you're ensuring not only smooth operations internally, but also a professional and reliable experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.